I do a little voiceover explaining more of what happened during the day, rather than just do an edit, so it gives a better understanding of what's actually happening. So first we're going to start off with MX2. It was pretty much a clean sweep for Hamish Harwood, but he was being pressured in the second and third motos by Jay Wilson and Brad Groombridge. Brad ended up second overall and Jay got third. Josh Bartosh even made an appearance for the first time in a while. It was cool to see him out front. He had good starts and a massive hole shot. It's going to be interesting to see where he finishes when his fitness is back up. Talking about fitness, veteran of the class Daryl Hurley seemed to be as fit as the young guys, as he kept his style and speed throughout the entire day. Now on to National 125. Maximus Purvis was definitely the fastest of the group, and was awesome to see him go down hard in the last moto when he collided with Simmons and still come back to win it. Simmons ended up taking out second place, and Tommy Watts topped off the podium with third. Australia's Kurt Gibbs managed to get redemption from round 1 and take up the overall for MX1. Cody Cooper took out second and Kane Lamont third. Lamont actually ended up being the only rider to get under a 2-minute lap time during the races. I never managed to get any clips of the women's cut, but it was Taranaki's Taylor Rampton that took out first place. So yeah, that was a really quick recap of what happened.
Crawling out the forest with these stains on my shirt. I've been out here in the bushes in the rain doing work. Even thinking about the city makes my brain fucking hurt. I don't rap no fucking city cause I came from the dirt. I'm fucking crawling out the forest with these stains on my shirt. I've been out here in the bushes in the rain doing work. Even thinking about the city makes my brain fucking hurt. I don't rap no fucking city cause I came from the dirt. My head check, just trying to give you a glimpse of the place that I live is a rapid to death. Imagine me talking and no limits, the odor of whiskey that's left on my breath. I'm growing a squad and we thicker than blood. I be the pin when they're kicking the mud. Guess you can see that we picky as fuck. Twisting the bone and sticky as blood. Dirt and crud under my nails, covered in blood under thunder and hail. Expression is blank like I'm